Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up and use Gemini Live on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just press and hold on the power button. Now just tap on this icon to enable Gemini Live. Now if the power button on your smartphone is mapped to launch the power menu instead of the digital assistant, you can download Google Gemini on your smartphone. To do that, just open Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now you can download Google Gemini on your smartphone. Now you can interact with Google Gemini in three ways. You can have a chat with Google Gemini. Hey Gemini, can you introduce yourself?
Hi there, I'm Gemini, your helpful AI assistant. I'm here to chat, answer questions, or help you brainstorm new ideas. What's on your mind today?
And as you can see, you have two other options to interact with Google Gemini. Now if you tap on this icon, now just select entire screen, then tap on start. Now you can ask Google Gemini questions about your screen, like what is on the screen?
I see the Google Gemini app on your screen. It looks like you're viewing the apps page in the Google Play Store. Did you have any questions about the app?
How can I find my contacts?
Okay, to find your contacts, you'll need to go back to your app screen. The icon for contacts looks like a person's silhouette. It might also be in a folder labeled Google or Tools.
Alright, where is the contact?
Okay, I see the contacts icon on your screen. It's the one that looks like a person's silhouette, right between the settings and calculator icons. Tap that, and you'll find your contacts.
Alright, but I can't find the calendar.
The calendar icon is right there on your screen. It's the one that looks like a calendar page with the current date on it. It's next to the clock icon in the bottom right corner of your app screen.
Now, if you select this option, you can ask Google Gemini about objects which it can see from the camera of your smartphone. Like, hey Gemini, what is this?
That's a Canon lens cap. Were you looking for some info on it?
What it is used for?
A lens cap protects the front element of your camera lens from scratches, dust, and fingerprints. It's a good idea to use it whenever your camera isn't in use. Do you have any other questions about it?
No, thank you. And this is how you can set up and use Gemini Live on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.